Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here as a prospective shipping officer will give a little information about grinding, functional and tips of grinding machine. Grinding machine is a multifunctional power tool which is quite important. A grinding machine is a machine tool that is used for sharpening and cutting or grinding workpiece with specific purpose or needs. The working principle of a grinding machine is that the rotating grinding stone is in contact with the workpiece, causing erosion, sharpening or cutting. Grinding machine general functions: cutting workpieces that are not too thick, forming profile such as edges or curves on the workpiece, smooth and level the workpiece surface, sharpen cutting tools to keep them sharp, smooth or remove sharp edges on the workpiece as a finishing process on the workpiece. Grinding machines, because of their multiple or functional functions, there are also various types. Let's discuss them on one by one. Surface grinding machine. Surface grinding machine. This type or grinding machine is used to obtain a flat, even and smooth surface. Flat grinding machines are usually used to grind surface by moving the work table. Operating can be done manually or automatically. Surface grinding machines are divided into four types. Horizontal flat grinding machine with alternating table movement. This machine is used to grind object with a flat and angled surface. Horizontal flat grinding machine with rotating table movement. This type of machine is used for grinding the flat surface of the shaft. Vertical flat grinding machine with reciprocating table movement. This machine is used for grinding workpiece with a flat surface and is with an angle. A vertical flat grinding machine with rotating table. The function of this machine is the same as horizontal flat grinding machine with alternating table movement. Cylindrical grinding machine. Cylindrical grinding machine is a grinding machine for working cylindrical and tapered object. The result of object that can be done from this type of spindles, bearings, test bars, shaft or axles, sleeve, and other types of cylindrical grinding machines are divided into four types, namely: in a cylindrical grinding machine, this type of grinding machine has a function to grind object with an inner diameter that are cylindrical and tapered. Other cylindrical grinding machine, this type of grinding machine has a function to grind the outer diameter of cylindrical and tapered objects. Other cylindrical grinding machine without flashlight. This type of grinding machine is used for grinding large quantities of outside diameters, either long or short. Universal cylindrical grinding machine. This type of machine is capable of grinding objects with outer and inner diameter cylindrical or tapered. Among other types, this grinding machine is the best done. Bench grinder. Bench grinder, this type of grinding machine is smaller than the two types of grinding machine above and is mounted on the work table with a ball. This machine has two grinding stones at both ends and is generally used for sharpening small objects such as drill bits, hand chisels, lead chisel, axes, knives, machetes, and so on. The coarse grinding wheel is installed on the left seat while the fine grinding wheel is installed on the right side. The installation of the two types of grinding wheel is intended so that this grinding machine has two functions at once, namely is a cutter and sharpener. The cutting function uses coarse grinding stones while the sharpening function uses fine grinding stones. A seated grinding machine that has a special leg so that it stands alone higher on the floor is called a floor stand grinder, but its function remains the same. Hand grinder machine. Hand grinder, this type of grinding machine is small enough that it can be handled and operated directly by hand. This type of hand grinding machine is a multi-purpose grinding machine. This machine can be used to smooth or cut metal, wood, tiled floors, glass, and can be used to polish car surface. Hand grinding machines are generally used as cutting tools in small workshops or households. After knowing all this, choose a grinding machine that suits its function. Don't choose the wrong choice. And don't forget your like, comment, and subscribe.